Hello, this is Victor from RestoreYourMercedes.com. Jace, this is the video for you here. I just want to show you what's happening with throttle body when the clutch coil is bad. Okay, so this is the unit from S600, very expensive unit. It's like list price is $5,400 for this one. So this is the only one with ASR that I have right now. So I'm just gonna show you on this one what happens. Your unit is basically nearly identical. The difference is the linkage is different. You can see the linkage here. Different linkage, and internals are a little different. 600 are a little different. But with some modification, actually, this unit can actually be used on your car as well. But obviously, it just makes no sense for the price of it. The plug is different as well. This is like the plug over here. It's a female plug. Yours is a male plug. Well, anyway, first we energize it just the way I energized yours on other videos. So here we put it on. You hear the click, you hear the gears move a little bit, and activate the idle position for the throttle plate. So that's what happens. So as you can see, unit works fine. Now what we're gonna do is I'm going to disconnect the clutch coil. Say the clutch coil is bad. So I'm just gonna solder it off the board. Here. Okay, now what we have here is the wire is clearly disconnected. As you can see, it's in the air, this one. So these two terminals on the 600 throttle body, these are for the clutch coil. So what's gonna happen now is I'm going to put it back on, and this is what happens. And that's it. Throttle body does not hum. Obviously, I move the lever, nothing is happening. Throttle body is quiet. The car is in limp mode. Does not work. So right now, even if I connect it back, nothing's gonna happen. As you can see, I'm touching the terminal, nothing's happening because Egas module shut down already. So it's not gonna resend power, and it's not gonna start the throttle body again unless you shut down the ignition, connect the wire back. So let's say I'm gonna connect it back, just touch it and put the unit back on. So it works. Say the clutch coil disengages now. That's what happens. Throttle body shuts down. Car goes to limp mode. So that's what you should hear. If the clutch coil is bad, or if the throttle body is not energized by Egas module, or Egas module is bad, this is what happens. It just spins it once. Even if it spins it once, if the Egas module is completely shot, it would not even spin gears. It will just go straight to limp mode, and that's it. That will be the end of it. See, right now, clutch coil is disconnected. I'm resetting it. I'm restarting the unit. See, right here to the right side, I have my switch here. So this is what happens. So once I put it back together, everything works fine. Just I'm gonna solder it back in there. There. Okay, so it's soldered back in the board. You can see both wires, K and I. And once I put it back on, there you have it. Everything works. So that is the symptom of the broken clutch coil. That's what's gonna happen. That's exactly what happens with the broken clutch coil. So both of the units I sent you, they both work, so you know that on my bench they work. And Egas module I have here is obviously in working condition. This is the Egas module that this throttle body is connected to, so there's nothing wrong with them. and you just need to get another Egas module. That's what I've been trying to tell you. Because both of your units, you know, there's 2 units and both of them are fine. There's nothing wrong with them. It's just the Egas module. If they say it's the coil problem, then the Egas module could have just most likely is not energizing the coil, so you do not have throttle body starting up. So that's it. I just wanted to show you what's happening. So call me back later, we'll talk about it. Victor at restoreyourmercedes.com.